Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs jong kasarkar jala haringkat kacing trilang baka Meghalaya Athletics Association hasingi balang ka apa artrek jemang kalayo bemple padaya ka state level inter-school athletic meet arja apusau. Kabanya lain lintar hasai STC Nehu campus Shillong. Kino shimanta kila adon hadu praspak na ingut kiba kantop kintai bashinrang da Khartleg district. La omple padaya kani kelimpung da working president ke MSOA uba John F. Kharshiïing kum ukangsan haka jengi dan lang u general secretary ke MSOA uba Faini El Pariat kum usambut kongsan. Bar haka ni kasingi ple pada lawanya sakhilang da wain na kino ilakai Olympic barem kari Australia Ian Campbell. Ki DSO jong barok Khartleg district lam bar kiwe.
Let's give the band a big round of applause. They have stayed on in this bad weather.
All the athletes, please ensure that you never give up. You should never give up. Continue to try. If you don't try, you will never know. So you must continue to fight hard, work hard. There is no easy footsteps to success. You have to work hard. You have to work hard. 100% is not enough. As Mr. Ian Campbell used to say, you need 150% hard work. I'll repeat, 100% is not enough. Because everybody is doing 100%. So you need to do 150% in here and in here. Remember that. Work hard. 150% work hard and you will definitely get the results. You will definitely get the results. At this point, I would like to also state that a lot of infrastructure is now coming on in the state, and we are also one of the states where we are all aware we have to host the national games, and we look forward to hosting the national games in the near future. Just prior to Meghalaya, we have Uttarakhand, we have Chhattisgarh, and we hope after that Meghalaya will execute the games. We are very happy that now in Meghalaya we have annual state games. We are very happy now we also have scholarships. All the medal winners subject to criteria can apply for scholarship.
The athletes from this meet to take part in the national level. This federation take this as a selection for the national event to be held anywhere in India. I want to thank all the John is here, is my friend, President of the Meghalaya State Olympic, Ian Campbell, all the DSO, Poi Sha. We as Meghalaya State University and the government is working hand in hand to promote athletics, not to promote ourselves. Now we are working in tandem, so you can see that the government has come up with lots of initiatives to promote our sports person by way of award, especially the scholarship. Those athletes, if you can win at the zonal level, you are getting about 8,000 per month, which will help you in your studies. So tell your parents, work hard. Athletics is not like football, we have 11, 12. I think I'm playing only one also. So I will thank all our friends, media friends, the dietary people, the DSO who are here, and all the technical officials, my friend from the Athletic Federation. I thank the Athletic Federation for sending the team to help in organizing this meet.